Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got some more cleaning for you, which just so happens to all be in the kitchen this time. So if your kitchen is in need of some attention like mine was, I hope this video gives you the motivation you need to get it done. So the other day we lost power for 6 hours and ended up having to throw out a lot of what was in our fridge. Luckily, our freezer was okay because it was a full freezer, but I decided since we emptied out our fridge that it was a good time to clean it out. I didn't spend a ton of time on it, I just gave the inside a quick wipe down.
My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night trying to figure me out.
If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can see new videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate it.
Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Before the sun goes down, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
Okay, well it's not perfect, but it's better. Cleaning the fridge is a pain in the butt. And I did it all while they were eating dinner, so works for me. Okay, so I wasn't planning on doing this, but while I'm at it, I just wanted to clean the bottom of the refrigerator. So I pulled that drawer out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I have not done this like ever. I just open the fridge, take something out, close it, and forget that I see it. This is one of those things that I hate cleaning, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this a scrub real quick, and I'll show you guys the after.
I've been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lesson.
So here is the after. Looks so much better. My camera has a hard time focusing when it's just like plain white, but you can see it looks so much better. On to a different day here. I decided that I wanted to try to get my KitchenAid mixer off the counter because I don't use it often enough right now, and it was just collecting dust and a bug. There was actually a beetle in it. So here I am cleaning out the cabinet and trying to make some room for it.
Always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Up to
So I didn't record it, but I ended up deciding to keep the mixer on the counter, which I explain in the next clip. But here I am just putting everything back into the cabinet. So here's what my cabinet looks like now. I know you guys didn't really see a before shot, but it wasn't too bad. It was just, there were some crumbs and stuff I needed to clean out, and I got rid of a couple things that I don't use. But I was gonna put the mixer down here, but that thing is just way too heavy to keep down low like that and like lift it up and down when I need it, and it would be in the way. Like, I don't know, I just felt like it would be in the way. So this is my solution for that. I put it on the counter, I put a bag over it. At least it's a Home Goods bag. I like that store. Hold on, Chase. So yeah, now it's on the counter, and maybe I'll find something eventually better than like a shopping bag to cover it with, but I need to cover it so that stuff doesn't keep getting like all over it and inside of it. So yeah.
You go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind, when I fall hard.
Here I'm getting ready to mop the floor. I decided that I need to try to mop the floor more frequently. It just looks so much better when I do. So I'm trying to do it at least once a month. But before I can mop, I have to sweep.
It's over now, you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it, give you my all. Promise I'll be good, waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. You go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind, when I fall hard, you turn me around, and oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over now, you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it, give you my all. I promise I'll be good, waiting for answers. And now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. I'm waiting. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Oh, I'm waiting.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything.
Let me know if everyone else has to clean their glass doors and windows as often as I do. But seriously, it seems like only minutes after I clean them, someone goes and touches them. I can't keep them clean for like longer than a day.
Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be.
And then I noticed that the frame to the door was dirty too, so I gave it a quick wipe down with a Mr. Clean magic eraser. I love the Mr. Clean magic erasers, I just always forget that I have them for some reason, so I'll just get them out here and there just for like random things.
We need right, watch me dancing in the colors. colors lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors lightning, blowing up a thunder.
I had really been needing to clean the ceiling fan for a while. We haven't even used it yet this year, but it still just collects dust. I decided to try to use the vacuum with a little brush attachment on the top, but it wasn't working out. The fan was spinning so easily and it was just getting really annoying. So I ended up switching to just using a microfiber cloth and my Method all-purpose cleaner. I feel like this is one of those tasks that everyone hates doing and puts off forever, especially if you don't use the fan often. But when I was done, it looked so much better and I felt so accomplished for finally cleaning it. So hopefully this motivates you to clean yours if you need to. It only took me about 20 minutes.
Keep on driving, we just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along, be with you, is that being
Then I just wanted to vacuum up any dust that fell on the floor from that.
I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven, I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue.
And here I'm just wiping down the kitchen table again, just in case any dust fell on it while I was doing the fan.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!
with you, is that being